Hello children, how are you doing? Once again we are back to hone our comprehension skills. हम एक बार फिर अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैसेजेस की बढ़ाएंगे और ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Let's read passage 1, Rules for our school. Smile. People catch smiles just like they catch gold. If you smile at a person, he or she will probably smile at someone else. Soon the whole school would be smiling. Children, जब आप स्माइल करेंगे, मुस्कुराएंगे, तो धीरे धीरे और लोग भी मुस्कुराएंगे और पूरा स्कूल खुश रहेगा. Find ways to help. If someone falls, help the person up. If someone has a lot of books, open the door. If a friend does not understand something, help him or her. Here we understood the different ways to help. हमने समझा हम कैसे अलग अलग छोटी छोटी वेज में किसी की हेल्प कर सकते हैं, मदद कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि किसी के पास ज़्यादा बुक्स हैं तो उसके लिए दरवाज़ा खोल दिया. Always say thank you. Remember to say thank you to others. The person you thank will feel good. He or she will also be glad to help you the next time. Glad here means to feel happy. Next time. So we understood that we should always say thank you. हमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए भी thank you बोलना चाहिए. Never push. Lots of people share our school. We share the classrooms, we share the water taps. You can't always be first. So do not push. You will make others angry. You might even hurt someone. Instead, say you first. So children, we understood one more rule that we should never push. हमें किसी को भी धक्का नहीं देना चाहिए क्योंकि हम हमेशा पहले नहीं हो सकते हैं. Dear children, do read this text again to understand the rules and attempt the book exercises. Now we will try to comprehend a beautiful poem about pets. Passage 2, Meet My Pets. Recite this poem along. That is our Pussy, the little cat. Often she is busy after a rat. Tom is a dog, always alert, sits on a log, ready for a hunt. Here we read about a cat and a dog and how they are chasing and what do they do. Kajoli is our cow, like a loving mother. God only knows how milk comes from a udder. These animals so dear around us we find. Giving them a little care, we should never mind. I hope you like this poem. Read it again. Also, find out and think about this question that what qualities you would like to see in a companion animal. Children, now we will try to understand another passage, pushing and pulling. Let's read. We move things by pushing them or by pulling them. Heavy things are hard to move. Hard to move here means difficult to move. Hard to move. Sometimes when we want to move things, we push them. When we push things, we move them away from us. Wheels make it easier to push heavy things. जो wheels होते हैं उनकी मदद से हम जो भारी चीज़ें हैं, heavy चीज़ें हैं, उन्हें आसानी से push कर सकते हैं. Easier to push heavy things. Engines help to push big and heavy things. Sometimes when we want to move things, we pull them. When we pull things, we move them towards us. जब हम कोई चीज़ें पुल करते हैं, अपनी तरफ खींचते हैं, तो वो हमारी तरफ आ जाती हैं. We move them towards us. Towards. Wheels make it easier to pull heavy things. A cart has wheels. The wheels make it easier to pull the cart. Trucks and engines and wheels. So here we understand that wheels are the things that helps things to pull. Wheels. Wheels. So children, read this text also again and attempt the given exercises of the passage. Now we move on to another passage, the bee story, passage 4. Rani came running into the class one day. Guess what happened? She said excitedly. Our queen bee flew away and took all the other bees with her. Queen bee? asked Asha. तो रानी ने एक दिन कहा बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट के साथ कि हमारी जो क्वीन बी है वो उड़ गई है. Flew away. What are you talking about? Well, said Rani, we got a hive from a bee farm. Hive here means मधुमक्खियों का छत्ता. Hive. Some people came and put it in our garden. They gave us a queen bee, some drones and some worker bees. The queen bee lays the eggs. तो उसने बताया कि उनके पास एक क्वीन बी, जिसको कि रानी मक्खी भी बोलते हैं, और जो बाकी वर्कर बीज होती हैं, जो दूसरी मक्खियाँ उनके लिए काम करती हैं, वो आई. और जो क्वीन बी होती है वो अंडे देती है. The drones do nothing. The worker bees go from flower to flower collecting honey which they bring back into the hive. So worker bee का काम होता है हर फूल से जाना इधर उधर और हनी कलेक्ट करना और वापस छत्ते पर लाना. When the queen bee's eggs hatch, the worker bees look after the young ones. Young ones here means जो छोटी छोटी दूसरी मधुमक्खियाँ बेबीज पैदा हो रहे हैं. Young ones. Oh, we learnt about this last week, said Ali. From time to time, you open the hive and take out the honey. Then they make some more. Don't the bees sting? Asked Beena. Beena ने पूछा, क्या वो मक्खियाँ काटती नहीं हैं? Sting. Well, the man who opens the bee wears a hat and a net over his face, said Rani. He also wears thick gloves. तो वो gloves पहनता है, net, एक hat, जैसा आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं. Why did your bees run away? asked Asha. You remember how hot it became very early this year in March? The flowers in our garden dried up and the bees couldn't find any honey. अब जब फ्लावर्स ही नहीं थे, फूल ही नहीं थे, तो फिर जितनी भी बीज थी, मधुमक्खियाँ थी, वो कुछ भी ढूंढ नहीं पाए. So the queen bee went away to some other place and took her bees with her. The hive was empty when we opened it. Because मधुमक्खियों को तो फूल चाहिए. Bees are so useful, said Ali. Miss Sen told us that bees spread pollen from flower to flower and we get more fruits and flowers. They give us honey and wax. Bee wax is used in polishes. तो अली ने बताया कि उनकी मैम मिस सेन ने उन्हें समझाया था कि हनी बीज कितनी यूजफुल हैं. वो स्प्रेड करती हैं पोलन फ्लावर टू फ्लावर, बी वैक्स देती हैं और हनी और वैक्स भी. पोलन होता है जो एक फ्लावर के अंदर, एक फूल के अंदर छोटे छोटे पराग के कण होते हैं. तो जो हनी भी होती है उसके पैरों पे वो चिपक जाते हैं, फिर वो दूसरे फूलों में जाते हैं, अलग अलग जगह इस तरह फैलते हैं. The drone does nothing, said Pari. That is why people say as lazy as a drone. This is a comparison. The other bees work so hard, said Asha. That is why we say, as busy as a bee. As busy as a bee. So children, I hope you understood and enjoyed so much information. Think about it. Would you be like a drone or the worker bee who works really hard? So now attempt the passage exercises.